Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing on YouTube, specifically lead generation. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision if those are topics that you want to learn more about. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, I'm going to give you some ideas for generating leads on YouTube. The first one, which every successful company does, is you want to create your ideal customer avatar. And let me show you what I mean by that. This comes from Ryan Deiss, and this is a free download if you go to his website that you can fill out and just keep right by your computer to remind yourself of your perfect customer. So what you're going to do is fill this out and get very specific on, you would write their name, their age, gender, marital status, number of children, where they live, what their goals and values are, what their challenges are and their pain points are. Other things like what do they like to read, what kind of websites do they like to visit, who do they follow, what possible objections they may have, and then what their role is in the purchase process, where they work, what they do, what's their annual income, their level of education. So all of those things are important in the customer avatar. So like I said, you can get this from Ryan Deiss. The second thing I wanted to mention is that once you figure out your ideal customer avatar and you figure out like what their pain points are and what they would be searching for, you can use YouTube as a search engine. That's the second largest search engine under Google, and find specific keywords. So let me show you what I mean. If you use Keywords Everywhere, which is a free Google Chrome extension, and you put that, you install that, it'll show you right here the number of searches a month. So for example, how to make money online, that's going to be too competitive of a keyword, but you can see there's 246,000 searches a month for that keyword. So you can get a long tail keyword, which is more words than that, by adding the letters of the alphabet. So you would just, well, if you just type that in, first of all these come up here, but you can add like an A, and these are going to be less competitive. How to make money online as a teenager. Just go through the whole alphabet and it's going to give you a lot of keywords. How to make money online by watching videos. How to make money online by doing nothing. Okay, so you get the idea. Just go through. I think I remember this being a good keyword here. How to make money online, college student. And the way you figure out, okay, that's 320 searches a month. The way that you figure out the competition for that is just type in the words all in title, and you look to make sure there's not more than one page of results for that exact keyword. So let's take a look. This is a really good keyword because there's just about 4 or 5 videos. So you want a high search volume but a low number of results when you type all in title and then put this in quotation marks. And the longer the more words to it, the better. It's longer tail and less competition. And then the third thing is to solve problems for the people in your target market. So determine what problems they have and create videos around those problems. Because people come to YouTube to solve problems. They search what's the answer to their problem, and then you have a video and you can get leads that way because people are searching for whatever it is that you're talking about. And this is really important because people don't know necessarily that you have a link in the description below your video, and people don't always watch the video till the end. So if you have a call to action toward the beginning of your video and then toward the end of your video, you're going to let people know that you have a free report or a free training in the description below your video then you're going to capture those leads because they're going to know that that's down there. But a lot of people do videos and they don't ever have a call to action. So you want to make sure you have a call to action. If you want to learn more about whatever, click on the first link in the description below the video. And then the last thing is, if you are making an offer, if you can have a bonus to get people to take action, that's even better, because if you look at a new product coming out and people are doing a review on that product, people are most likely to buy from someone who offers a bonus as opposed to someone who doesn't. So I'm going to give you a great example of that, someone who does that very well. This is a product that came out not too long ago, IG Money Tree. And this gentleman right here, Jonah Armstrong, always has a lot of bonuses. So you can see other people do as well. So if we click on his video here, he actually has both. So he's not only promoting this product and giving a bonus for people to purchase it, but he also has his free training. So I'm sure he has a call to action to both. So if someone doesn't purchase the product that he's promoting, he can still build his email list here. So let's take a look at what his lead magnet is here. He offers free training videos, 16-part video course. So this is really looks like a valuable lead magnet here, because he's got a lot of different videos in here on affiliate marketing. So someone is very likely to put their email, their name and their email address in here, and he's generating leads that way. So I'm sure that he has this in the description of all of his videos and has a call to action to that as well. So there's just some ideas for you to be able to generate leads on YouTube, because YouTube is a great way to get in front of your target audience, to find out what people are searching for, solve their problems, and then people get to know, like, and trust you. They'll put their email, name and email in. You'll generate leads that way and also generate sales. It's worked very, very well for me. So if you guys found some value from this affiliate marketing on YouTube, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video as well. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.